How do you share and annotate a PDF file through a web conferencing tool such as Google Meet so that you can bring attention to a specific section of the PDF itself with your students? So the first thing to do, of course, is to log into your Google Meet. Now make sure that you are in your EMSB Google account. Like right now I'm in the personal account, which is not what I want. So I'm going to click here and select my EMSB account. Now I will go to Google Meet. Now I'm not going to do it, but you would go to Google Meet and you would share your screen. Now once this is done, go to a website that's called camiapp.com. Once you're there, you're going to click on sign in. And then it's going to ask you to log in. So log with your Google account because you have one, and choose once again your EMSB account. If it's not there, then type it in. Okay, now we have to open our PDF. So you have different choices. You can open it from Google Drive or directly from your computer. I'm going to choose the latter. And I'm going to select a PDF file that I have on my desktop. Open. Now the PDF opens in front of you. Of course, your students would be seeing all of this, or maybe you've already opened it. And now you have a lot of options on the left hand side that you can use to annotate the PDF that's in front of you. So markup here gives you access to different highlighters. You can choose your color, and of course you can highlight what's in front of you. You can comment. You can use a text box that you can open. So je m'appelle. No, you don't see it because it's right here. You can add drawings, like let's say that you have like an arrow that you want to add so that you can bring the attention to something very specific, or you might want to circle something. So you see that you have all these options, right? And of course you'd be sharing this with your students. Now let's say that you want to invite your students to also annotate that same PDF. You might have situations where you would want that. So you go right here to the share document option. Now it's telling me my document is not uploaded, so I would need to upload it. And this will provide me with a link to the document. So I would copy this link and add it to the chat inside the web session that I have in Google Meet with my students. And then they would be able to click on the link and join in the annotating the PDF there. So that's how you do it.